Welcome to this guide for the AllRide Driver app. To begin, first, the driver has to log into the application by providing his or her email and password. Upon logging in, the driver will taken to the home interface. There the driver will be provided with an option on the top of the screen that says Ready to Take Next Task. Along with the toggle switch, upon toggling it on, the driver will be able to receive and accept trips that are published. To receive and accept trip details, the driver must remain online in the driver app. This ensures that he or she can respond in real time to trip requests. The driver can find trip requests from the trip section. If a trip request appears as published, the driver can view and accept or decline it to confirm his or her availability and readiness. Upon arriving at the pickup, the driver must tap on the option Arrived at Pickup. Then after the passenger boards the vehicle, the driver must start the trip. Upon arrival at the destination, the driver will need to end the trip and mark the trip as complete. Then the driver can provide feedback by rating the customer, providing comments, and tapping Submit. The trip section consists of a list of all past trips as well as the currently published ones. Upon clicking a past trip record, the driver will be able to see details of the trip such as trip status, trip date, travel duration, distance traveled, trip amount, and rating given to the customer. Also, there are two options: raise a ticket and have a query. If the driver finds any issue with the trip, he can report it in the Raise a Ticket section. For clearing queries, the driver can go to the Have a Query option. In the side menu alongside My Trips we also have Notifications, where the driver can see every trip that was assigned to him or her. Then we have Help Center, where we can view frequently asked questions and assign tickets. We also have the Chat with Us option, which leads to customer support. The driver also has the option to call and email customer support. Then we have the Settings, where the driver can manage his or her profile, vehicles, and bank account, as well as able to change the language. In the My Profile section, there is Edit Profile option, where the driver can modify his first and last name. Then there are a Change Password option, as well as the Change Phone Number options respectively. Finally, there is the Driving License option, where the driver can add or modify his license details. In the My Vehicles section, the driver can add vehicles by giving various information such as vehicle type, vehicle number, vehicle model, etc. The Settings section also consists of the About section, Privacy Policy, and Terms and Conditions. Finally, the driver can toggle off the deactive status in the home interface and log out.